Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video we have one very interesting and challenging question from Canadian Math Olympiad which we'll be solving using alternative method. So let's get started by writing here x belongs to real number and we'll be finding domain of the equation first. Radicands must be non-negative. So we will get x minus 1 over x and 1 minus 1 over x should be greater than or equal to 0. Now we have sum of two square roots in RHS. So our LHS must also be non-negative. So we'll write three conditions. X should be greater than or equal to 0. X minus 1 over x should be greater than or equal to 0. 1 minus 1 over x should be greater than or equal to 0. We'll take LCM and get x square minus 1 over x should be greater than or equal to 0 and x minus 1 over x should be greater than or equal to 0. Now we will use difference of two squares formula over here and get x plus 1 times x minus 1 over x should be greater than or equal to 0. Now we have three inequalities, one from left hand side and two from right hand side. Now using number line method, if we will find restriction on x, then we can write it should be in the interval minus 1 to 0, or if x is greater than or equal to 1, then this inequality will hold true. From this inequality, we will get either x should be less than or equal to 0 or x should be greater than or equal to 1. Now from the left hand condition, x greater than or equal to 0, we will reject these two. So we have x greater than or equal to 1. Now we have to solve our equation. I will write here x equal to square root of. Let us take LCM and write x square minus 1 over x plus square root of x minus 1 over x. Using difference of two squares identity, we can write our equation x equal to square root of x plus 1 times x minus 1 over x plus square root of x minus 1 over x. Now we can take square root x minus 1 over x common out. So we will write here square root x minus 1 over x. In other bracket we'll write square root of x plus 1 plus 1. Now our domain is x greater than or equal to 1. We know that square root a over b can be written as square root a over square root b when a and b is positive number. So as per our condition, x greater than or equal to 1, we will write our equation x equal to square root x minus 1 over square root x times square root x plus 1 plus 1. Now we can multiply our equation by square root x both sides. Now we will cancel square root x from the denominator square root x. So we will write our equation x root x equal to square root x minus 1 times square root x plus 1 plus 1. Now we'll be using rationalization. Let me write equation once. So we will multiply equation by square root x plus 1 minus 1 in the numerator and in the denominator. We'll write here square root x plus 1 minus 1. Now here we can use difference of two squares identity. So x root x would be equal to the square root of x minus 1 over square root of x plus 1 minus 1. And here we'll write times square root x plus 1 whole square is x plus 1 minus 1 whole square minus 1. We will cancel plus and minus 1 from the bracket. So we will write x root x equal to square root x minus 1 times x over square root x plus 1 minus 1. Now we can divide our equation by x both sides. So let us divide by x. X is greater than or equal to 1. We will cancel x from both the sides. So we will get square root x equal to square root x minus 1 over square root x plus 1 minus 1. Now we will cross multiply and get square root x times square root x plus 1 minus 1 equal to square root x minus 1. Let me write equation once. So we can write square root x times square root x plus 1 minus square root x equal to square root x minus 1. Now we will add square root x both sides. So we will cancel square root x with plus sign and minus sign. We can write here square root x times x plus 1 in left hand side, and in right hand side we have square root x plus square root x minus 1, which can be written as square root x square plus x equal to square root x plus square root x minus 1. Now we will take squaring both sides. So let us write here whole square. Now we'll use a plus b whole square formula in right hand side, and in LHS we will cancel square root with square. So we can write x square plus x equal to square root x whole square x square root x minus 1 whole square x minus 1 plus 2 times square root of x times x minus 1. Now we will write here x plus x 2x minus 1 plus 2 times the square root of x times x minus 1. In LHS we have x square plus x. Now we will subtract 2x minus 1, or let us say subtract 2x from both the sides and add 1 to both sides. So we will cancel plus and minus 2x plus and minus 1. So here we can write x square minus x plus 1 in LHS, and in RHS 2 times the square root of x square minus x. We'll write all the terms to one side and we will get x square minus x minus 2 times the square root of x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Let us assume a square root of x square minus x equal to u. For x to be real, u must be greater than or equal to 0. So here we can write this is u square. Let's write equation u square minus 2 times u plus 1 equal to 0. And this is u minus 1 whole square equal to 0. After taking a square root both sides, we will get u equal to 1. Now u is square root x square minus x. So we will write square root x square minus x equal to 1. Now we will square both sides. So let us put power 2, power 2. The square root and the square will get over. We will write x square minus x equal to 1 or x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we'll use quadratic formula. So let me write here x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Here coefficient of x square is a, 1. Coefficient of x minus 1. Constant is minus 1. We'll write here x equal to minus b. So minus of minus 1 plus minus square root of b square is minus 1 square, so 1. Minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 plus 4 over 2 times 1, so 2 will be equal to 1 plus minus the square root 5 over 2. So we have two x values, 1 plus square root 5 over 2, the golden ratio, and 1 minus square root 5 over 2. Now we have restriction on x. X should be greater than or equal to 1 for real x. So here this quantity is negative. We will reject 1 minus square root 5 over 2. We will accept 1 plus square root 5 over 2. So the only real solution which will satisfy our equation would be the golden ratio 1 plus square root 5 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.